Hello friends, in this lesson I will show you how to add internal link to your post. Internal link are hyperlink on a web page that point to another web page or resource, such as image, video or document on the same website or domain. This type of links allow user to navigate a website easily. It's necessary to follow internal links best practices to improve your overall website SEO. So easy to say, internal link connected one web page to another page in the same domain or website. There are 5 reasons internal link is good for SEO. 1. Help Google index your website. Increases backlink earning potential to deep content page. 3. Internal linking spreads the strength of the site to internal page. And also 4, internal linking with optimized anchor text is good for SEO. So friends, here how can I put internal link? I can show you. So look here, WordPress dashboard, look post page option, and here another post in my website, best Samsung Galaxy S22. So need to find this article where this keyword or this text. Okay, so here I find this is Galaxy S22. So now I need to click this URL. So I click right mouse, view option, and now I click on copy this address, and or I select this text, and here hyperlink symbol. Okay, so need to click hyperlink symbol and paste here that's link. Okay, and enter. So now these pages are interlinking. So friends, when Google crawl a website, it does so by following internal and external link using Googlebot. The bot reach the homepage of a website and start following the first link that it come across on the site. By following such link, it can understand that relationship between different web pages within a website. Understanding the relationship between various web pages, Google divides the link value between all the links present on a web page. Hopefully you understand how can put internal link on your content.